Thai takeout, then you are not going to want to miss this soup recipe. Keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, as I said, if you love Thai takeout, then you are not going to want to miss this video. Today I am making Thai red curry noodle soup. That's right, that's a mouthful, isn't it? I honestly have never had a Thai soup before. I'm pretty sure I never have. And I do have some friends that I know would love this soup, so I really wanted to do something a little bit different, step outside my comfort zone, and make this recipe. So I am excited to make it and try it, and I'll be taking some into some friends, and I'll let you know what they think as well. So this recipe is from, and I'm going to put it right here on the screen because I don't want YouTube to flag me, and you'll see why when I put it up here on the screen. I will link this recipe in the description box, so I'd appreciate if you go check them out. So let me quickly go over all the ingredients. All right, so we're going to start back there with that container. That actually has brown sugar in it. I know, I was a little thrown by that ingredient already, but it takes just a little bit. So we got some brown sugar. I have some olive oil, some chicken broth. We have some kosher salt, garlic. I have some Thai coconut milk, lime juice. It called for a fresh lime, but I had that on hand, so I didn't buy a lime. Black pepper. We have 1.5 pounds of chicken. I've already prepped some of this, so I have a tablespoon of ginger and 3 tablespoons of red curry paste. I have a red, pepper diced. We have some fish sauce, and then back there I have some basil leaves. We have some Thai noodles. I could only find the linguine noodles, but it said just some rice noodles, so I ended up getting those. I have 3 green onions sliced very thin, and I have 1 whole onion, and I have some cilantro. So that is all the ingredients that's going in there. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, my friends, we are here over at the stove. I am just going to pour in a little bit of olive oil. Now, first I'd like to say the recipe calls for 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, and it tells you to go ahead and cook it and then just set it aside. I am using my rotisserie chicken that I get from Costco. I didn't shred it, I just chunked it up a little bit. The recipe calls for chunked chicken. I'm just using that instead of cooking chicken breast because, like I said, I buy that a lot and use it for recipes like this to save time. So I am doing that with that. So we're gonna get this heated up a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and just saute our onion and red pepper and garlic until it's translucent. So let's go ahead and dump in the onion. Oops, just splashed myself with the onion already. That didn't take long, did it? Is anybody else like me? I am constantly dropping, splashing, spilling, knocking over. Alrighty. Oop, my onion. Now I'm going to go ahead and saute this for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's translucent. And then I'm going to go back in and add the garlic. And we'll continue with the recipe. So we'll check back in a few. All right, my friends, we are just about there. So we're going to go ahead in. We're going to add in 3 minced garlic cloves. So that will be 1.5 teaspoons of my jarred garlic here. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and just Got that a little bit lower. I had that a little too high. We're going to go ahead and just cook this for about a minute or so. And then we'll move on and continue adding our ingredients. And I must say, it's smelling good so far. All right. We are looking good. Now, I have a tablespoon of grated ginger and 3 tablespoons of red curry paste. And we are just going to go ahead and add that right in there. And then let's stir this up really well. The ginger really smells good. We're just gonna stir this until you can really get a good smell of it. So it's a good smell of it until it's fragrant. I'm starting to smell it. Oh, all right. It's looking cool, I guess. Turning red. Oh yeah, I'm really smelling it now. Awesome. Like I said, this is all new to me. I have never made a soup like this before. So I'm excited. All right, we're just gonna let that cook for about a minute or so, just till we get that fragrance going, and then we'll go ahead and finish up. Okay, my friends, it's been about a minute. I'm gonna scrape off the bottom a little, just get all that mixed up well. It smells delicious. Now we're gonna go ahead and add in our chicken broth. Now I had this container here, which is 4 cups, and then I had another container in the freezer that I thought I had more in, and it was only a cup, and you need 6 cups. So what I did was I just took a cup of hot water, and I used my Better Than Bouillon base chicken, and just did a cup using that. So I have the Better Than Bouillon with a cup in there, and then a cup, and you can see that there, and then a cup of the actual chicken broth that I had in the freezer. So just wanted to add that in there because I know the Better Than Bouillon has some seasoning in it, so I just wanted to be transparent. Okay, stirring that really well, and now we're going to go ahead and use our coconut milk. This is a 13 point, I don't have my glasses on, 13.66 ounce can. I have never ever used coconut milk before, so this is a first for me. Okay, and just stir. It almost looked like cream cheese when I melt it. Interesting. This is all new. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my chicken. Now, if you were cooking the chicken breast from scratch, after it was cooked, you would have removed it and then just chunked it up. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and let this, bring this to a boil. And then I'm going to go ahead and reduce the heat and cook it for about 10 minutes. Okay. All right, my friends, while I'm waiting for my soup to come to a boil, I'm going to measure out the rice noodles that I need. Like I said, the package that I bought is 16 ounces, and I only need 8 ounces. And I did end up getting the linguine ones. I don't know if there were other ones, but it just said rice noodles, and this is the only rice noodles my store had. So I have this little handy dandy kitchen scale. I've had it for years and years. I'm guessing I got it on, actually I think I might have got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. It's the Biggest Loser scale. Oops, and I'm touching it, messing it up. And that's what it looks like. I use this all the time. So we're gonna just go ahead and measure out 8 ounces of noodles. I don't know if it was smart to put it in a bowl or what. Probably should have. Of course, it's half of this package, too. That would have been easier, I guess. I don't know. Anyway. Oh, look at this. Isn't that cool? All right, that was 8. Just a tad bit over, but not much. All righty, so I have my noodles ready, and then we'll go ahead and put them in when the time comes. All right, my friends, it is now coming to a boil. So now I'm going to go ahead and let this simmer for about 10 minutes. Where's my lid? Go ahead and set the timer for 10 minutes, and then we will come back and finish up with all the ingredients. All right, my friends. There we go. Oh, you hear the pot rocking. All right, I have 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. We're gonna add that in. And then we're gonna go ahead and add in a tablespoon of this fish sauce. Comes out slow. There we go. Okay. Let's give that a good stir. And then I just went ahead and put my noodles in this little container here to make life easier. I'm gonna throw these in here. Okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and let this simmer for about 5 minutes or until the noodles, whoops, splashing it on me until the noodles are done, and then we'll add the last of our ingredients. And then we'll be done. So we'll check back in 5. Okay. It did take a few minutes longer for the noodles to cook. I don't know if it's because they're the linguine style, but this did go about 7 minutes or so, a little bit more than the 5. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt and pepper for taste. Turn it down just a little bit. It smells really good. I'm gonna go ahead in and add. I'm gonna go ahead and add in. Oh, I got a little stick in there for my cilantro, and I chopped it up. Okay, cilantro, and then I'm gonna add in my basil. Let's mix that up really well. Oh, that's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at the colors. Gorgeous. Alrighty, I'm gonna add in the onion. I'm gonna save a couple for the top of the soup. Mix that in, and then, alrighty, let's go ahead and just mix this well. I did turn this off, so we are done cooking. I have some lime juice here. We're gonna go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Just shaking that really well. 1 and 2. All right. This looks delicious. Smells delicious. Look at that. Look delicious. Oh, alrighty. I am just going to go ahead and scoop a little bit out, let it cool a few minutes, and then we'll do a taste test. All right, my friends. I'm excited. I honestly do not recall ever trying Thai soup. I never, I don't recall trying it, so this is going to be new to me. It does smell good, I have to say. Hot. It's very refreshing, actually. It doesn't taste fishy. I was a little worried about the fish sauce. I need another bite. I like that. I really like this. I do. I like it. I am pleasantly surprised. Like I said, I don't ever and it's not spicy, because I thought originally when I bought the curry paste, I bought the green, and I just wrote curry paste down, and I didn't know there was different kinds. And when I went to the grocery store, there was a green and a red, and I was like, oh, I better get the green because the red's probably going to be super hot. Then when I got home, I reread the recipe to see what it said, and it said red, and I was thinking I probably should go with the red. So I had to get the fish sauce still, and I went back, got the red, and so I was anticipating, and I love spicy, but I don't know why I was expecting it to be seriously spicy. It's not. Friends, this is really, really good. I am very happy, pleasantly surprised. This is so exciting. So anyway, friends, let me know if you end up making this recipe. I would love hearing from you. I'm also going to put right at the bottom of the screen, I'm taking this in with to a couple friends at work, and I'm going to let you know what they think of it as well. I do have one friend that makes a lot of Thai food, so I'm curious to see what she thinks of it, because like I said, I've never ever done this before, and she eats a lot of it, so I'm kind of curious to see what she thinks. So friends, thanks so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that little subscribe button, because it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter as well. I am very active on those social media sites. I post every single day. And friends, we have pretty much come to an end for our January National Soup Month. I'm really thankful that I was able to make so many different soups. Some were surprises, especially this one. And I hope that you will join me for February. We are going, oh, the wind. Did you guys hear that? I thought somebody was opening my door. Anyway, I'm sorry. I really hope you enjoy me for the month of February. It is air fryer February, so I'll be doing a ton of air fryer and recipes, and also giving you helpful tips. So friends, thanks so much again. I do appreciate it, and I will catch up with you next time. Bye.